In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Today I'll show you how to save selected passages in Google Sheets on desktop. First, open your Google Sheet on desktop. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and you've loaded the sheet you want to work with. It's helpful to expand your browser window and adjust the zoom so the text you want to capture is easy to see. Give the sheet a moment to fully load, especially if it's large or has lots of formatting. Next, click and drag to select the cells that contain the text you want to save. Start at the top left cell of your passage, press and hold your mouse, and drag to the bottom right of the area you want. You'll see the selection shaded to confirm what's included. Take a second to check that you're only highlighting the passages you need and not extra blank rows or unrelated columns. Now copy the selection. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. After copying, you may notice a dotted outline around your selection. This indicates it's ready to paste. If you need to adjust your selection, click once to deselect, redrag, and copy again. Open a new Google Sheet, a Google Doc, or another file where you want to save these passages. Choose the destination that makes the most sense for how you'll use the text later. A new sheet preserves the grid and structure, while a document is great if you plan to turn the text into paragraphs or notes. Open that destination in a new tab so you can switch back and forth easily. Paste the copied text into the new location. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. The pasted content will appear in the same layout as your selection. If you're pasting into a document, it may appear as a table so the columns and rows stay aligned. If you're pasting into a plain text editor, it will keep the text but may drop some spreadsheet formatting. Finally, save the new sheet or file. Click File, then Save if the app you're using requires it. If you want a copy on your computer, click File, then Download, and choose the format that works best for you. If you're in a Google file type, changes are typically saved automatically online, but downloading gives you an offline copy for backup or sharing. And that's how you save selected passages in Google Sheets on desktop.